let's work on getting these things out. Here we are with the 980 Pro NVMe PCIe 4.0, 2 terabyte, and 990 PCIe 4.0 NVMe 4 terabyte. Here are the comparable speeds. The only problem with this motherboard, it comes with these plates. I don't like these plates here, it's kind of weird. But I guess if I move the AM5 platform, I probably have to worry about these. Okay, here they are removed out. Now, where's that little baggie? Oh, there you are. Now, I'm not just going to throw them away. I'm going to format them later and just keep them. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's get these things open. Okay, that's in there. Next one. Oh, that 4 terabyte. This thing is so thin. 4 terabyte, 2 terabyte.